Steve Henderson is one of the leading figures in contemporary American art. Known for his works that capture the enchanting beauty of nature and the harmony between humans and the natural world, Henderson creates pieces that inspire peace and wonder. The artist is particularly recognized for his landscape paintings and figurative works. His art stands out for its impressive use of natural light and harmonious color palettes. Henderson's artistic style is a blend of realism and impressionism. His works reflect the pure beauty of nature and humanity's connection to it. His piece Walking on the Beach, for example, captures a serene moment of a woman strolling along the shore. This work showcases Henderson's mastery of light and color. The artist draws inspiration from nature, his travels, and the small joys of everyday life. Henderson not only offers a visual feast in his works, but also aims to provoke thought and establish an emotional connection with the viewer. His piece Harvest Time is a particularly impactful work that portrays the abundance of nature and the value of human labor. Steve Henderson's art is not merely about painting. Each piece tells a story, evokes emotions, and offers an experience. When examining his works, it is impossible not to appreciate his passion for nature and technical skill. Every brushstroke in his art feels like a fragment of a narrative. As the virtual art gallery, we invite you to explore the enchanting world of Steve Henderson. You can support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Additionally, you can share your thoughts on Henderson's works in the comments section and start a dialogue with fellow art enthusiasts. Art has always been a means of communication, and Steve Henderson's works are among the finest examples of this. In this video, you will not only discover the life of an artist, but also the profound meanings behind his works.